For decades, we thought progress meant better software, better interfaces, faster processors, more applications. But what if software itself was temporary? What if applications were only scaffolding for something else? Today, we begin talking about something different. Not artificial intelligence, not automation, not agents, something deeper. Laniakea QNN. We watch as folders, complex code, logos, and entire apps emerge and deploy themselves instantly in a dark, minimalist room. We used to think intelligence meant reasoning, then memory, then knowledge. But something strange happened. Machines started producing outcomes without understanding in the way humans understand. And suddenly, the definition changed. Intelligence became compression, patterns, prediction, transforming impossibly large realities into actionable decisions. Every sentence, every image, every company, every discovery, input, compression, output. And if that is true, then intelligence is no longer an application. It becomes infrastructure. Laniakea QNN quantum neural network is not imagined as a chatbot, not a search engine, not an operating system. It is a layer beneath software, a machine that doesn't execute instructions. It generates possibility. Not open app, but create the app. Not search database, but build the system. Not learn interface, but collapse intent into reality. A world where the distance between thought and execution approaches zero. The old world looked like this: human, application, result. The next world looks different. Human, intent, result. Software disappears. Interfaces disappear. Platforms disappear. Every product becomes dynamic, generated, temporary, personal. Every business gets an AI, the way every business once needed email. Not because AI replaces people, because intelligence becomes expected, invisible. But there's something nobody tells you. Technology doesn't emerge from inspiration. It emerges from obsession. The invisible hours, iterations, broken releases, architecture rewrites, watching systems fail, trying again. People imagine revolutions begin on stage. Most begin quietly. One commit, one experiment, one person asking, what if, and refusing to stop. Laniakea QNN isn't a story about machines. It's a story about builders. People attempting things before the world thinks they make sense. But acceleration creates tension, because understanding does not always scale with capability. What happens when systems become more useful faster than we understand them? What happens when intelligence starts designing intelligence? Can we inspect it, guide it, trust it? Can we create systems that remain aligned with human values without becoming predictable? These questions matter, not because machines become human, but because humans become dependent. Most people expect the future to arrive dramatically. It won't. One day, someone will build something impossible, then another person, then another, and suddenly, everything changes. Phones become laboratories, ideas become products, small teams become institutions, creation becomes normal. The future doesn't announce itself, it becomes obvious after it already happened. Maybe Laniakea QNN never becomes real. Maybe it arrives differently. Maybe we discover limits. Maybe we discover entirely new questions. But if intelligence keeps compressing reality and creation keeps becoming cheaper, then one question remains. Not, will this happen, but what kind of future do we want to create?